So I got stuff from Temu for my car. I got this one, my red accents siya. I don't know how to put that in this oil. Where's the other bowl? Oh, there you go. This oil diffuser thingy. So wood siya, and then you have to put oil. I got coconut, vanilla, and chocolate. I'll try chocolate here. So you just put that on the vent and looks something like that. And then I got this car shade. I'll show it to you later. First we'll put the oil diffusers. So something like that. Pero gumagalaw yung ball. Paano pag mabilis or may bump? Sana hindi siya matanggal. And one there. Right. Like that. And then we'll put the oil.
Ano yan? Niyata. Katakot. Puta, si Suko na yan ah. Tangina, naging Harry McLaren yan. Ratski. Sino yan? Sino yan?
Si Tom Shelby.
Tom Shelby. Sino yan?
Si Cars.
Sinong Cars?
Forgot his name. How cute is that?
The mascot.
Alright, so that's the finished product. Ta-da! 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 Kulang ko dito sa likod. Hanggang dyan na lang siya. Hindi ko pa nalagyan to. You have to order some more. But yeah, that's the idea. I like it.